Narito muna ang ating makulit na seatmate na nagbabagong anyo na wala namang ipagbago talaga. What?
Hi, Bossing. Hi, Tito Joey. Yes, since it's the first day of February, I have here something sweet. Are you ready?
No!
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, fire!
Are you ready? No. It's kamote chips, in English, sweet potato. Ang sweet, di ba? Parang forever eat bulaga. Hope you like it.
Kamote chips.
Kamote chips. Walang sentence.
Walang sentence. No, kamote chip. Na? Why?
Wale.
Wala. Nga. Okay, freeze.
Oy, Timote.
Ito muna ang ating makulit na ewan.
Hanep,
Formal ka ngayon.
Yes, Bossing.
Are you formal today?
Yes, I'm very much formal.
Why?
Why?
Why? No, why?
Why? Nothing.
Nothing?
I just want it.
You just want it? What do you want?
Change.
Change? What
Don't
change?
worry, we will change you.
Okay.
We will change you. Tomorrow, iba na.
Starting tomorrow, change. You
Ano
have
sabi ni
something?
Wally dito? Paste? Ano?
Pastries.
Iba.
Hi, Bossing. Hi, Tito Joey. Since February is the sweetest month of the year, I have here one of the sweetest pastries. Tada! Brownies. Hope you like it.
No sentence?
No sentence.
Why?
I feel empty again today.
Your head is aching?
Yes, my head is aching.
Oh, it's like the stomach. When there's nothing, it aches. Yeah,
Yes.
correct?
Correct, Ben?
Brownies. Wala pang Girl Scout?
Yeah.
Walang Girl Scout?
Wala.
Okay. Alika muna yung ano natin. Yung ating...
Ibang classmate na to, hindi na ito makulit eh.
Wala na, hindi na.
Ano kang klaseng classmate today?
Formal.
Formal, ha?
Ano meron tayo? Ano meron?
Hi, Tito Joey. Hi, Ryan. I have another one sweet something for this February. Creamy and healthy and yummy. Tada! Leche flan. Hope you like it.
Creamy.
So,
Leche plan.
nag-leche ka ngayon.
Okay, thank you very much, Ann.
Nag-leche plan.
Ann Boleche.
Apelyido niyan, Boleche pa.
Ito muna ang inyong... wala lang.
Nagbago na. Alam mo kung na unang nakita ni Pinoy ito,
Ha?
wala yan si Grace Lee.
Wala?
Baka ito pa mapili eh.
Very good.
Ano tingin mo?
I believe, Tito Joey.
You believe the children are our future?
Yes, bossing, the future.
Teach them well.
And let them lead the way.
Wala. Uy.
Show them all.
The beauty they possess inside. Out. Inside.
Inside of. Okay.
Okay.
What's
ano yan?
that?
Hi, bossing. Hi, Tito Joey. Oh, yes. Hello. As promised, I came here prepared today. I have food and a sentence. For food, I have merengue. In English, mirang. And for the sentence,
What?
mirang. Yes,
Mirang.
mirang. And for the sentence, here I go now. I like to go to the zoo because there are so many animals to see. There's elephant, tiger, roar. Lion, roar. May monkey, At meron ding mirangutan. Hope you like it.
Luma eh. Parang luma.
Luma yung merenga. Ganda, ha? Sinong sumulat nun?
Myself.
Yourself. Ganda, ha? Oh.
Nagustuhan yan. Nagustuhan
Ganda
nila.
raw. In fairness, ha? Pangit.
Okay, Merang. Merang, ha?
Tawagin muna natin ang tagapagdala ng kabusita.
Last ma.
Ano, nakapag-practice ka pa maigi?
No sentence for today.
Ha? Oh, never mind. You come back tomorrow.
I will, bossing.
Tomorrow, ha?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you have?
Hi, bossing. Hi, Tito Joey.
Nakalimutan.
Hi,
Kapisote.
bossing. Hi, Tito Joey. Nakalimutan ko. Ay,
Tira.
I get you another... Ano ba sasabihin ko? Oo, ito. I get you another... Ito naman sila rehearse yun. Oo. Kaya, I get you Oo, takatayo. Oo, nag-rehearse ako eh. Ay. I get you... Tapos ako nakalimutan ko. Kinabahan ako eh. Ay. I get you another sweet something. But this time, it's a pair. It's
It's a
pair. Parehas. Dalawa. It's
Parehas.
not so hot cake with sweet syrup. Hope you like it. Dalawa po, yung sweet syrup tsaka yung hot cake. Combine.
Meron pa sa ibabaw eh. Ano yun? Ano yun?
Ano po, add-ons?
Wow.
Add-ons, almond, whipped cream, and banana for beautification.
Beautification, ha?
Anjo, masarap to. Okay.
Ayos. Mainit.
Thank you, ha?
Ito lang ang hot cake na parang malamig, ha? Okay. Ang tagal pre-practice,
wala
nakakalimutan lang pala.
Hop.
Si Ann. Uy. Hello.
Hi, bossing. Hi, Tito Joey.
Ay.
Hi. What?
Ay.
Mike.
This is mine. You don't have your own mic?
Just borrowing.
Just borrow you. Okay.
Just borrow me.
Okay, I'll borrow you, all right?
Thank you, bossing. Thank you. A perfect combination and a favorite for every kid and kids at art. It's something we all love to eat. It's banana split. As promised, bossing, I will use it in a sentence.
No, we're in a hurry, so no more sentence today, okay?
Nag-plug ka pa ng ibang show. Ha?
Ha?
No na.
No na what?
The sentence.
Sentence? You like?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it nice?
I think so.
Is it funny?
For my.
For yours? Okay?
This is my sentence. For her birthday, I promised my pamangkin a Hello Kitty bicycle. But when I went to the store and asked the sales lady, she said, "Ay, sorry ma'am, banana. Hope you like it."
Okay. Split ka na.
Thank you.
Lumayas ka.
No split?
Split ka na.
No applicable sentence.
No applicable.
How about doing a split? Come on. Split it.
Okay, good. Very good.
Okay.
One more split. One more time. Okay, and freeze.
Okay. Okay, laro muna tayo.
Tin. Red.
Hindi ka mabisaklat ito. Baka mamadyong to.
Ano nga yung
Mabisaklat
pangontra? Alive.
Masakit pala na pag matagal.
Pag matagal ba yun?
Siguro.
Hindi. Masakit? What?
No, because I'm a dancer.
Wala.
Naghamon pa. Ganon, ha?
Okay.